Welcome to KidNook, where every night a gentle story waits just for you. Tonight's story is called Why I Love the Sounds of the Keys in the Door. I love the sounds of the keys in the door because it's the most magical sound of the day. I could be playing with my toys or looking out the window, and then I hear it. A little jingle jangle from the hallway. It's a sound that promises something wonderful is about to happen. I love the jingly music the keys make before they even find the lock. They sound like tiny, happy bells, and they are playing a song just for me. It's a secret song that means I'm home, I'm almost there. And my heart starts to hum along with it. I love the feeling of excitement that bubbles up in my tummy. It feels like little happy butterflies are waking up and fluttering all around inside me. I stop whatever I am doing and my whole body becomes still, just listening and waiting for the next sound. I love how my puppy gets excited too. His ears perk up, his head tilts, and his tail starts to wag so hard that his whole body wiggles. He knows what that sound means too. It means our favorite person is coming through the door. I love the soft, scraping sound the keys make as it slides into the lock. It's a quiet, busy sound. And then my favorite part, the loud, solid click as the lock turns. That click is the sound of the door getting ready to open. It's the sound of almost. I love knowing that on the other side of that door is my mommy or my daddy. They have been out in the big world all day, and now they have come all the way back home just to be with me. The sounds of the keys means my person has returned. I love the first big hug I get right after the door swings open. I run as fast as I can, and they drop their bags and scoop me up into their arms. Their hug is warm and strong, and it feels like coming home, right there in the hallway. I love the familiar smell that comes in with them. Sometimes it smells a little like the fresh, cool air from outside, and sometimes it smells like my daddy's office. It's a special smell that belongs only to them, and it makes me feel so happy and safe. I love how the house instantly feels more full and complete. The quiet rooms don't feel so quiet anymore. They are filled with footsteps and bags being put down, and the happy sigh of someone who is finally home. The whole house feels cozier. I love hearing their voice say my name for the first time. It's not a faraway voice on the phone. It's their real close-up voice, and it's full of love. Hearing them say my name makes me feel like the most special person in the entire world. I love knowing that soon we will all have dinner together. We will sit around the table, and I can tell them all about my day, the tower I built, and the picture I drew. The sound of the keys at the start of the evening promises a quiet, cozy story at the end. I love the deep feeling of safety I get knowing the door is locked and my whole family is inside for the night. The same keys that opened the door to let them in have now locked it to keep us all safe and sound together. The world can be busy outside, but we are all here in our cozy little home. I love that one little sound can hold so much love. It's just a bit of metal and a click, but really, it's the sound of my family being whole. It's the sound of my waiting being over. It's the sound of happiness walking right through my front door. Now you've heard all the special reasons why I love the sound of the keys in the door. What about you, little one? What is a happy sound that you love? You can whisper it to the stars or share it in the comments below. But for now, close your eyes, let your dreams take you somewhere magical, and sleep tight under the soft night sky. I'll see you again in another story. Good night.